Now.
Here we have the Scripps Miramar Ranch Steam Fire Pumper Unit. An original, fully functional 1870s steam fire pumper. How times have changed?
Times have changed a lot. You've got the original harnesses. They were specially designed for quick pitching in case of a fire. They had to respond to a fire really quickly. This is a float that honors the men and women who work to contain LA wildfires.
They have appeared in 40 different rose parades. They know what they're doing.
And you look there in the white, right there. That's Carson Kressley, of course, personality, joining this parade unit for the 10th year. Of course, you know him from Queer Eye and The Straight Guy.
I didn't know he was a writer.
Here's the Judges Award, Christine.
Sierra Madre Rose Float Association.
Lois Threlkeld.
Coming to us from not too far from here.